So we go to lunch. My boss brought in some food, and we go to sit down, and I'm telling everybody all of this, and he's like, "Your pants were on inside out." That's hysterical.
Leave it to Leon.
So that was yesterday.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Should just kept it. It's Halloween. You were crisscross. Should have put your shirt on backwards.
Yeah, I should have just went with it.
That would have been funny.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, what day is it?
Monday, the 26th.
What time is it?
9:15. We gotta go. I'm not ready. I'm ready.
Yes, matching outfits.
What the f***? I feel so pretty.
Honey, it's showtime.
Yeah, all right. All right, showtime.
No, we're cruising.
Oh, all right, fine. Deck chair. I like deck chairs.
What? I'm not going.
How about this?
No.